Hey guys, going to shoot over the recap for today. Going to go through pre-market gainers. We had a couple good ones today. Obviously in pre-market, what you really saw, hopefully what you're going to see, is you're going to see this double top at the top. So let me go ahead and draw that for you. Got to get used to seeing that, and you know I wanted it to go as well, but it just not going. So. But if you're smart, you could have had some moves on the way up. There was clear moves right here. I would suggest doing a poly line and get used to just seeing what you need to be seeing to take a trade. Are you seeing these? Are you taking these? So think about that. Where are you taking it? Obviously it gets stronger right here when it's over the first run. But now it's at a target too, so I'll draw my fibs for the whole play right here. And right here, the whole play, that is a target. I'm actually going to say the fibs. Yeah, right there, the fibs would actually be down a little lower right here. And you have two targets that hit twice. This grinded up. So, you know, I took some trades on the way down. Actually, there's a couple trades right here, one right here. If you want me to zoom in, I can zoom in, get right here, and then we're going to get on to other stocks that did really good. So right here on a 15-second chart, once the stock starts breaking down, if you didn't take that trade, you're basically looking at this move right here, and then you'll see this move at the 209. I'm actually going to tell you I got in really early right here. So right here, I knew this move right here, and took that traded target one and took another target one. So there was 3 target ones on the way down of a crappy stock that's still going down. You can still draw a trend line to prove it. So even on a downtrend, you can get some stock. So I just go with the one that has the most traffic right here. If it bounces off the 183 and you go, why is 183 important? You'll go over here and go, well, that's where one of the parties started today. So that's one of the resistances for a while. And now we're going to see if it actually has support over there. I'm going to go through TKLF right here. Nate's grabbing on this one. I didn't grab it. Can't grab them all. But that was the level right here that I pointed out. That would be the breaker right here at that 42-cent level. And right here, if you just did a chart, you could see that that's the level right here that if you go all the way across, that was it. And then you can sit here and go, okay, well, here are 2 bottoms and 2 tops. Draw my next trend line here. So that would be the next one. And then this one right here, that's where I took a trade at the 55-cent level right here. We'll move it in right in here. And you'll see that it resisted, busted out, bounced, and went. So hopefully you're looking at all that. BDRX did a little bit of move, not much, nothing incredible. I wanted a little bit more out of that, but I did scalp perfectly. So I'm going to go to PayPal. That was very disappointing. Good news, didn't go anywhere. And then COS came out of nowhere. Oh, we got hot. Oh, no big deal. Okay, so I'm going to go to one day real quick. And COS did come out of nowhere. I was very late to the game, so I'll show you how I play a late to the game play real quick. Where is COS? Yeah, it must have died off pretty good. All right, so I missed this trade right here. Okay, and now it's up here. So you just have to wait patiently. I got in right here at this little area right here. I'm looking for a bull flag entry. Once you have 2 red candles, if you can start breaking that area, that's where it went. That's also the same place it resisted. So I did take this trade, and I took the trade right here one more time on this one right here to a target 1 maneuver right there. So. And then one more LPA, I will show you what I did there. Still waiting for it to stabilize right here at the 221.70 right here. Yeah, so this happens a lot. You're gonna miss a trade, so let's just mark up the trade that you missed. And you probably think that's weird. So here's the fibs. Let me see if I can get rid of this. I'll finish up with this one right now because I need to get rid of a lot of fibs here. You'll see a lot of fibs just need to go, and it's a lot easier if you get on a big daily chart or something like that. Still finding it a little hard to grab. I'm just going to get to today. All right, so now I'm going to go back to the 1 minute right here, and you'll see the chart. So you'll see it come up, you'll see it pull back, and you'll see that break, and it went perfectly, almost perfectly to target 2. I probably could have did a flat top here more. If you want to exactly think it's going to be perfect, that would probably be the play to prove target 2, but you can't oversee things. But here, clear breakout, like I said, I missed it. So when I start missing stuff, I start going to higher time frames. So I can see some little innuendos I can't see. So if you'll see this, it pulled back, rebroke right here at this level. Right here went up. If you're keen, very keen, you could get this trade. If you're very keen, you could have got that trade. I got that one, and I got that trade. So I got all 3 of those reproof trades right here. If I was in this, you should have got in at the 1990. You could probably still put a 1990 in real quick and just get a 20 right here. 13 trade out of that. We'll just go small shares to show you how to take it and get over it. 2013. But yeah, see now the traffic's a lot slower. But right here, clearly that 19 was the level and it did peter out. So let me zoom in one more time for that. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. I don't think it's gonna let me do it because of my retarded stop loss. All right. It should bounce right back up. We will see. I'm gonna watch this one because that's where the entry was. Yeah, that would have done it. All right, so whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and put it at the nearest stop loss and I'll just let it stay watching. But right here, if you're looking at a trade right here, you're looking at these setups, and I apologize, I got way too many lines on here. So let me get rid of a couple more. You can go to the 1 hour. And I don't know where all these lines are coming from then. So we will see, but this is a 1 hour version of what you're looking at on a trade. I doubt it's ever going to bounce to 1990 because maybe that was too low of an entry. But yeah, you can start seeing these little trades all the time. You'll see it stair stepping up even on the 1 hour time frame right here. You'll see it stair step up. It ran up the other day. I think that was Friday because this was Monday, so this is Tuesday. So yeah, I did take those on Friday. Then if you want a little more detail, you go to the 30-minute. And you'll see the same thing. You'll see this little nice line here, break. You'll see this line, re-break. And then you go, well, I don't know if I'd have got that. Maybe I could have got in a better trade. So then you go into a 5-minute and you come over here and you go, okay, what does that look like today? Would I have jumped in anywhere? Well, here's the 1990 re-break right here at the bottom of that candle. So you'd have to really judge the tweezer tops. But all good. We're going to see what happens. And then if you want a lot more detail, right here, I missed that. See, somehow or another did not grab me right there. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out because it did make the move right here and go back up. And then if you need a lot more detail, you just go in the 15-second. So that's all you're looking for. If you need a little more detail, TKLF is still running. Like I said, if you needed more detail, you come over here. If you see this move, you'll see a downtrend right here. You can get it in a re-break right here. I'll draw the fibs for this one if you need that. Right here. Yeah, there's your target 2, and then your pullback as usual that we expect. And then you could have got the next trade would have been this one. And I'd practice this so you get used to doing it and seeing it. And you would see it here. You'll see the target 2 pullback again. So just get used to seeing that. Hope Nate's still in it. He holds a lot longer than I do. I like to scalp and get it over with. And here's that silo move right here. Right here, it proved itself again right here. And so look, stocks are still proving themselves even on the backside. So if you just need a little more detail, try a different time frame. Y'all have a good one. If y'all need some halt alerts, we have those. We have news alerts. We also have just gainer alerts. That's probably one of the best ones you want. If you need any of those, reach out to us and we'll set you up in Telegram. My name is FOMO Nomo, so let me get out of this, see if you can see it real quick. Let me see if I can just get, yeah, right there. So y'all have a great day. Thank you so much.